Hey ladies! Whether you're jet-setting across continents or planning a weekend escape, the right backpack can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the 10 best travel backpacks for women, hand-picked for style, comfort, and smart design. These aren't just bags. They're your travel sidekicks. Let's get into it. What makes a backpack perfect for women? When it comes to choosing a travel backpack, women often look for a blend of functionality and flair. Think ergonomic design for smaller frames, lightweight but spacious, stylish enough to match any outfit, smart compartments for tech, toiletries, and travel docks, and yes, comfort that lasts all day. Number 10 Osprey Fairview 40L Women's Travel Backpack. List price, $184.95. Deal price, $146.70, save 21%, designed for women with an adjustable torso fit, large panel zip for easy packing, dual compression straps for stability, harness and hip belt stowaway for check-in. Con: a bit pricey compared to others. Number 9 LOVEVOOK 45L Carry-On Backpack with 4 packing cubes, heavy $. List price, $55.99. Deal price, $50.39, save 10%. Expandable from 35L to 45L, fits up to 7 days of clothes, airline approved carry. On size, comes with 4 packing cubes and wet pocket, comfortable with breathable straps. Con: heavier than some lightweight options. Number 8 Aritico 50L Expandable Travel Backpack, heavy $. List price, $39.97. Deal price, $28.78, save 28%. Huge expandable capacity up to 50L, airline approved, unfolds 180 degrees for quick TSA checks, includes USB charging port headphone hole, comfortable straps reduce pressure. Con: bulky when fully expanded. Number 7 coowoz Travel Backpack, Peacock Blue, typical price, $25.99. Deal price, $23.39, save 10%, stylish and waterproof, perfect for hiking, casual travel, or day use, affordable price point. Con: limited laptop protection. Number 6 VGCUB Carry-On Travel Backpack, dark purple, heavy $. Typical price, $36.99. Deal price, $33.29, save 10%, multi-compartment storage for clothes, gadgets, and more, separate shoe and wet pocket, breathable straps for comfort, laptop compartment fits up to 15-inch devices. Con: shoe compartment may feel small for larger sizes. Number 5 Jury 50L Carry-On Backpack, blue, heavy $. Typical price, $49.99. Deal price, $34.99, save 30%, TSA-friendly design, opens 180 degrees, separate shoe compartment, spacious with laptop sleeve and multiple pockets, USB charging port included. Con: can feel heavy when fully packed. Number 4 coowoz Large Travel Backpack, white green, heavy $. Typical price, $29.99. Deal price, $26.99, save 10%, waterproof and durable polyester build, shoe compartment wet bag for organization, USB charging port for convenience, anti-theft back zipper pocket. Con: laptop compartment only fits up to 14 inches. Number 3 Wanhawks Large Travel Backpack, heavy $. Typical price, $32.99. Deal price, $27.44, save 17%, waterproof and breathable for long wear, separate wet bag shoe compartment, USB charging port included, spacious hybrid design, backpack, duffel, or travel bag. Con: design may look bulky for petite travelers. Number 2 YGSNTG 52L Expandable Travel Backpack, pink, heavy $. List price, $28.99. Deal price, $25.51, save 12%, expands from 35L to 52L, TSA approved for smooth security checks. USB charging port and multiple compartments, lifetime customer support promise. Con: large size can be overwhelming for short trips. Number 1 Swiss Digital Design Women's Backpack, Katie Rose, blue, heavy $. List price, $104.99. Deal price, $63.99, save 39%, sleek Swiss design with stylish protection, Fits 15.6 laptop, multiple compartments, RFID pocket for security, velvet-lined sunglasses pocket, USB charging port, water bottle holder. Con, medium capacity, not ideal for longer trips. Why these backpacks stand out? What makes these backpacks outstanding isn't just the specs, it's how they make women feel, empowered to travel solo, organized without sacrificing style, comfortable no matter the journey, and confident, knowing their gear is built for them. And there you have it, 10 the best travel backpacks for women in 2025. From stylish everyday carry-ons to expandable 50L giants, there's something here for every traveler. Ready to upgrade your travel game? Backhand index pointing right, links to all backpacks are in the description. Don't miss out on these deals. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment which backpack fits your travel style.